Alright. Yeah, let's drop it. Watch it, so you know. Throw it close, make when I move them turn under the grass root, yeah? Yeah. Just like that. Just like that. Watch your foot off. You think?
Yeah.
So this catchment full up, man. In a deep. Yeah, man. Food day in there, man. Yeah. Alright, peeps. So day 1, day 2, we're showing you the result. And then we're in the kitchen. So we're outside now, you know? Yeah.
Outside for the next banger.
Welcome back, my beautiful peeps. I don't know up on the HQ today. I'm gonna roast up some fish, guys. So anyway, bush there. I go and chop off the water just so I go and peeps. So we have a jump off spot here, so Jaden there at the boat, Chinaman there run off his mouth, peeps. Boat Chinaman look better there. And we have a fish them over there, so we have to show you what I go on. August, bird bush. Peeps, so Jaden say, remind about bird bush, August coming up. Yeah, man. So we are prepared for the bird season already, now, peeps. Yeah, man. That is it, man. We have to prepare for the bird season. Start throw wheat and rice and them thing there. And we have some whole heap of fish, guys. We set a chop this morning. Hopefully reap a good, you know, some good fish out there. So anyway, guys, see the fish them we have. See what going on? Yeah, man. See the fish them we have. We are gonna roast up them at the grill. We are season them up. We don't scale them, guys. We just got them. So we are gonna scale them up. We have some more fish in the bag we will cook. So we have them there. I go and cool out of the water. We are going to enjoy ourselves. While bush are going to chop off the water edge, guys. So we are going to season up them. See me? When bush finish. Alright, come in. There's some peeps. So. Yes, peeps. So. Kaya kita ba pa yan? These are blue. Yung mga uli, you know? They want so try get chip them peeps, get them light. And blaze up peeps. Is it? That is. Yes, man. That is it. The pan good and on peeps. So we'll go and burn off. Jada, where you see that from? I'll mix up. I'll spice this. Yeah. Come, Pete, come.
Cinta no.
Saya lipop sama water belum apa teman.
Muslim bar of his
Jordan, you mash it come on, how you do that?
Yeah, that's same funny.
That's too green, brother. So you do it?
Someone asked me if me yesterday evening when me see him, he said I know more. I said no man, I can't tell him man. 2 minutes me come out, go flood out down my back and me not do it for what.
I'm gonna bad down here tomorrow.
Yes, alright. That is it. Yes, man, peeps. So, that's what I gone. So, rosary, you know. That is it.
Why that too nice inside now, they not carry them there.
Pull that chin.
But they want wait for the carry. Madonna no one left to me. Nice, hey, me see for them nice sexy up. You are so sexy, I'm going to miss them.
Take up your own look, man. Take up one hand. Take off his hand, tell me what it is. Come on, see fish here now. Oh, it is. Man, don't hold the scale now. Remember say your fish. Yes, man, peeps. Just the bush film fish there, roast fish. Yeah, that is how it, guys. That's the scale and the skin. Take it off, you know. Take up a fish paw. Tell me what it is. Yeah, roast, man. Everything, almost everything roast.
Tastes like steak.
Tastes like steak. I eat it. Lion. Yes, guys. So Leon, this what Leon say. No, hey, si bush pepsi ka wash it, Leon. Alright, peeps. So them two there from the grill man there. Nobody no problem. One apart there.
I'm gonna plan up my yard.
Alright. Leon has piece lime na the fish there. Belly well seasoned up, you know. Yes, guys. So when I roast fish, I season the fish from the belly. What's the man with the pepper?
How is it?
I want it. One more season?
Yeah.
You think so? You bring none there? Eh? Yeah? Where's the Jaden? Where was the Jaden? Are you bringing season? Where was it? Eh? You must say season are good. Don't show the bone them close enough. Watch out! A chin, I watch a fish. Chin, I watch a fish.
Chin.
Peeps, chin make Jaden fish job, car. You know? Let me see me. Man, that's killing peeps. Watch out. Yo, man, skill. As man, I eat the fish, man. Yo, that's that one. Take one of them now when it's done. That's a base on there, right? That's that one.
That's in my ear now.
Yeah, let's take one of them now. You know, done it. Them are done it. Alright, peeps. So, man, I enjoy them fishes, see me? You don't know, I still have my one. I still gonna eat my one because I make one roast right through, you see? Put some lime on it and thing. Yeah, that is it. Oh, there's, you know? It's not the same day, guys. It's the next day because we go draw some fish out of one pond. Out there, I know I enjoy myself, you know? Out there, I come to clean up your HQ. You see me? Yeah, man. Chin, oh yeah, yeah, it's skill, man. You that's that. I can't eat.
Why that
Yes, mommy peeps. So I'm going to know. Yeah. What? Wah. Wah. Eh? Why you fly down? I'm tired. I get all the photo. Them bone and don't put them like I say, yeah? Show them bone far, please and thanks. Show all of the bone them far. One piece, watch out.
Somebody are calling.
Eh?
Somebody are calling.
Yes, peeps.
How much I?
Go on. Oh, you meat can I this is fish season. Huh?
more season there?
Nice one, no? Leon must buy season. Tips? Only if you could taste this. Look at this one. Acha. Ha? That? How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?
Pass the line over this.
Bal.
Pork nice one.
Yo. See pork good today, boy.
Right amount of seasoning.
Mm-hmm. That almost tastes like cow.
Yeah.
Eh?
Scammer.
Come in, scam pork ready.
I want for that skin.
Mm-hmm.
The one that me get where me try
It's
to
the body
do
look
not here.
That piece I look real, man.
Ready, man. Everything ready. Ah. No, man. Buy pizza pepper show him, scam. I'm using pepper money. I'm going to buy pepper now. I want pepper though. Eh? That is it, peeps. Push it is. Yeah, put the pepper on the pot, dog. Every night, the pepper.
You know I'm a belly run like one.
You know how belly run?
I pepper do it.
A different pepper this, man. No, pepper sauce sweet. We got instead that we buy pork.
Melt up just now.
You don't hungry.
Never hungry.
I just
Wheat.
go buy pork.
Eh.
One Friday night, buy piece of chicken and
Sometimes
man.
you put the pork them where you're going to sell off a road.
Alright, peeps. The piece of pork I like, you know. Not fully cooked, you know. And them use it, man. But maybe why run with belly in the land? It's because everybody put them on
You
night.
can't put that on TikTok, you know. Even if it's, you know.
It's
run
a,
belly.
no, everything, man. Everything. Ah, sneeze. How we talk to Leon? Peeps. Leon said I can't put the run belly thing. Because I tell him some buy some pork and we put some sauce pint and run with belly. It's because everybody put them under the sauce, peeps. Why not good for your nut? You see me? The best you do it for yourself. Bush, you say belly run. Bush say belly run, peeps. My belly run too.
So don't speed that river,
Eh?
one worse than that.
Yeah, peeps. Leon said bush belly run, say run belly run more, run worse than that, you know? Yeah? Power there, you not come in pork there, no? Come in, man. Yes, peeps, so you see we're trying to clean up all over this, so you see them trash there now. All the buckle them and everything, leave them, we can left leave them, but you see the buckle them, I call them buckle them there. We're going to dive the river and look for them buckle there, guys, and take them out of the river, you see me? Yeah, man. Ayan, so. Big. Nice peeps, push them, see some big perch, that means fish in there, you know. You know, wait,
The pot.
pat. Pull it up, no? Pull it up, push.
What do you mean you put it up?
Hey, you afraid? You afraid you have a big old cooker, eh? Yes, peeps, but I come up with that.
Ready.
Something.
Catfish dog.
Dry it up, man. Yeah, don't dry it. Nasa lun? Peeps, a catfish alone.
Pork enough I need.
Yeah, you're gonna find it. So we have to eat a couple more days, peeps. So that is it, peeps. Only catfish alone, because the net mesh and them dead. So here we go. We have left it for a couple more days, probably 5 more days or so, until the perch and find the feeding, guys. Maybe because it broke up and it come out of the thing is in. So they must feed that fight while it come out. We are throw it closer to over this.
Come on, 8 and flip up, please.
Alright.